For a lot of novice four-wheel drivers, a common misconception is that all four wheels on a four-wheel drive vehicle receive the same amount of drive. In many off-road situations, though, this isn't the case. The vast majority of standard four-wheel drive vehicles come with what's known as open differentials. Where open diffs come on stock off-road is when one wheel on an axle has more traction than the other. As your vehicle articulates, an open diff will send all of the drive to the wheel with the least amount of traction, and none where you actually need it. Replacing the standard differential, Air Lockers use compressed air to activate a locking ring within the differential, mechanically locking each side of the axle together and ensuring both wheels receive the same amount of drive. Activating rear and front air lockers ensures equal drive to all four wheels. The beauty of the Air Locker system is that it's completely selectable, enabling the driver to turn each locker on and off to suit the conditions. Unlike some auto-locking differentials, when switched off, ARB Air Lockers provide all of the safety and predictability of an open diff when you're back on the blacktop. Air Lockers provide much more than just traction when off-road. As a result of the extra traction, Air Lockers provide a much greater level of control when tackling challenging obstacles, as the reliance on momentum is greatly reduced. This doesn't just apply to uphill sections of track. Air Lockers also allow for a much greater control during steep descents. Caring for the environment is something we should all be passionate about. As you can see in this comparison, another benefit of enhanced traction is the reduction in wheel spin, which reduces our impact on the environment by minimizing track damage. As you can see here, over the same section of track, there's a vast difference in performance between an Air Locker equipped and a standard vehicle. Whether it's rock, clay, gravel, sand, snow, or mud, ARB Air Lockers can enhance the traction of your 4x4 on just about any terrain. When track conditions deteriorate, with an almost instantaneous engagement and no requirement to be stationary during activation, traction is only ever the flick of a switch away. Used by some of the biggest names in off-road competition, Air Lockers are just as at home plugging through mud or scaling near vertical rock ledges as they are on your daily driver. These guys stake their reputations on quality and reliability. If they can trust Air Lockers to get them across the finish line, then you can be sure they'll survive anything you throw at them on the tracks. All ARB Air Lockers are designed and manufactured at ARB's manufacturing facility in Melbourne, Australia. With 5 full-time engineers dedicated to Air Locker, state-of-the-art manufacturing processes, and access to in-house lifecycle test rigs, each and every unit is designed, built, and tested to go the distance, whether you're a weekend warrior or a fully fledged off-road racer. At the same time, a reduction in the amount of moving parts ensures precision amongst the components and results in a much firmer and more responsive activation. For the ultimate peace of mind, all ARB Air Lockers are backed by a comprehensive, industry-leading 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty. In all conditions over any terrain, ARB Air Lockers provide the ultimate in traction, control, and performance.